Mommy, as I was saying, we had everything on point, and the supplies, everything was good. We had, I think, 170 supplies last month, and the income was 10,000.
Okay.
And
which one is this? They have a high.
okay, that's the total number of goods you supplied.
Okay.
And I think the total amount is 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah, that's the outcome of it. Everything was good. We had a very nice business last month.
You did a great job.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
Have you paid all the workers?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, please. Yes, everything is on point. And everyone is okay.
That's great.
You can say, you know, Asa. I would say, it's in Kutubi. Number one is Suki.
Okay. Just inform Watma.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
She'll handle that.
Yeah. What's my right?
Yeah, my daughter.
Okay. I thought that I know bit the guy, I know bit delay. Said that normally,
yeah, fine, but you know, I was also home BBM.
Okay, so I should.
The reason Mama I started office because said, "Moment BBM, man home, be one now German on so I make orders."
Okay.
So what you say?
The reason I was saying that she's a newcomer and new to this business, so handling everything to her.
Not to handle everything to her exactly, but listen to just allow her.
Okay, boss. Okay.
I know why I'm saying that.
Okay, boss. Okay.
Okay.
Then every morning I will inform her and discuss everything with her. Now we'll the kind of a year to amount already here.
Exactly.
Okay. Yes. But you said everything is okay.
Everything is on point, Shadrach. Everything is on point.
Okay. What's more for you? The posters.
Uncle's funeral.
Yeah, I'm the one doing everything. The posters, the banners, and so.
I know.
I'll go and check.
No, we're going to support you. Don't worry. Yeah.
I know.
Everything will be fine.
Okay.
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 Shadrach.
Then tomorrow.
My son. Okay. I think I mean my regards to your family.
Okay.
It's a long day.
Mr. Brahma.
Yeah.
Oh, you couldn't even wait for me.
What should I wait for you?
No, can't try and make her cry at least. Can't try and put them in a quiet.
And you name seminar we enter the same stretch. As soon as we are out in the seminar. So why do you always want to follow me around?
You need to send me though. At least at you walking out from KFA. No be able to say
No. You know, it's against company rules. It's 2 employees with it. Why should you want us to? Angie, please.
Hey, yeah, go. Piano will be okay. Hey, I mean, it will be.
Angie, I know some. I
know. Okay. You know I love you. Just give me the chance. Just try me, okay?
Oh, yeah, I know. Let's make it tomorrow. Then we
wait.
Talk.
Even just a hug. Fine. Hug.
Oh God.
I won't force you. Just give me a hug. Hey, how way a Pentecost for day? Abby, cheer old for them. Then a hug. Yeah, that's nice.
Thank you.
Okay, one peg.
No.
I'll get you.
evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Evening.
I called you tonight to introduce my daughter to you. She's Nishra Abuna what?
Daddy, very well.
She's going to be one of the managers in that group companies.
Wow.
So give her applause more.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.
He's the general manager, Mr. Shadrach.
Okay.
General secretary, Mr. Nkrumah. General manager's secretary,
Oh, okay.
Angelina,
Nice meeting you.
accountant, Mr. Angelo Fokwe, popularly known as Obofo Jr.
Gosh.
Oh, okay. I see them.
So, from now on, she's going to be in the office with you.
Okay.
Anything she does, please exercise patience. She got hot-tempered sometimes.
We are cool with it.
And I'm throwing it because never knows. See you, daughter. But Abina,
Mom.
going to the office now and find here say Umami Ejuma. You have to humble yourself. I almost said go to school to learn more about the companies, but still you have to humble yourself for them to teach you the right things.
Okay, Mom.
And not too much. You said the way you feel now, baby, please. I don't want to hear anything.
No, like I just don't want to interrupt, but like the way you're saying it, it will make them feel as though I'm not. But then I'm a cool person, I'm humble. And
Sometimes.
yes, and if only things go right, I won't complain. That is me. If you do your things right, there's no way I'm going to complain. But then if things turn out to be different or some way somehow, I'll have to make sure it falls in place. That's all.
Yeah.
She's like her father. Exactly like the father. It was all too much. You just come and complain to me.
Alright, Mommy.
The father is a very difficult person. What, ma? What I want to tell you, Nise, Fase oje obi ejuma. Fanise oje oma ejuma. Se o fanise oje oma ejuma. Ejuma.
I know, right?
Did that from ma? And for now, I shake manase. I be do something pensui. I ne also wakurembi. That for more. Now, that for ma. If there is anywhere, they'll show you.
I get you.
Be a good girl.
I will.
You know what I mean? You have something to say.
I don't have nothing much to say, but it seems it's good to have your own daughter in your company. Even though she's not she's not having that much experience. We will guide her.
Please.
Okay, sorry. Mommy, as I was saying, you're a guide, you know. I find it's a surprise, but you can't say we have 2 managers right now, so only 10. We are cool. We are cool.
Yes, as for me, I'm cool. If you don't understand anything, when it comes to me, I'll explain to you.
You're cool.
I'm cool. I don't have any problem with that.
But anything, I will show her, and any file document she need to know, I will assist her.
Mr. Folk, you have something to say?
No, I'm okay with it.
Oh, they are all cool. They are under me, so the fact that I'm cool there, everyone is cool.
Fine.
Mom, please, I would like to say something. Yeah, as a matter of fact, as my mom was saying, it's not like I don't know anything at all. I know what it entails. Just that working experience might be something complicated, but it's not like because of what she said and listening to what the manager is saying and whatever, he thinks I don't really know anything. I know what I'm coming there to do, but just that I'll just come down and then collaborate with you guys.
Sure.
So that's the clarification I want to make. I know what I'm there to do. Thank you.
All right.
You're welcome there.
Okay. I prepare something. I mean, they've made prepare something for us, so let's go to the dining and have some dinner. Dining with the CEO.
Yeah. Oh,
Please don't say the time. If you won't eat, just the door is there, exit. As for me, I will eat. When you are talking, talk for yourself. Don't talk for all of us. As for me, I will eat. If you won't eat,
please,
you
time
can.
factor. You have
Yes.
to be time conscious.
Yes, and see, food is very important. Madam.
My
Madam.
I don't know why you can come to somebody's house.
The way you are rushing food and you like food like that.
Look at this sheep.
Bringing her daughter to replace him or what?
No problem. I'll look for work somewhere. I'm tired of this.
Mommy, now
What about? Where's your car?
I bet you know you're in your saying. Gates not me just so I won't pay baby into any you. Listen, me back can meet me from only hope baby.
81 day pen gates.
Oh.
Man in the world. Why can't you open the gate by yourself?
Mommy, yeah, there are some things we are disciplined there. You have to instill it in people. And just how they be obey, sir. Why jack a gate no? I don't know so nothing our high chelka. Why?
What man? Oh, he's also a human being, right?
I know, Mom.
It is sometimes I allow him. Maybe also maybe important to
It's more like I said you. Maybe I be chasing me. And can't come and chase me. Oh.
It's real though.
Mommy, no. If it's the same.
Fine.
Fika kakra will be cried to be cried for 100. Fika kakra win what bottles to say ya. You're looking good anyway.
Let me try more. Let me come more. Okoto or not.
Oh, okay. Hey, Mommy, your friend is saying you will secretary no.
Why then?
Debut. Mommy, maybe when you may be you. On so catch her and say, answer ma, yes. Answer no the documents be a becono. I saw the family so mommy approve you answer no the ako. I think send a mini hono. He was doing some things because me buy no. Mommy, every document be or the baby be no. Over here not the final amount no figure na or the kono. Minya time e calculate there's a difference. It will have 5,000 difference, 10,000, 20,000 difference, you know. Because some to send your money be bringing into no. Every time I'll have to call him and correct him on that. Nti me home say very deliberate. Onimni oye na oye sad. Mommy, me so na nkasa dia. I will fire him. Yes.
What ma? Are you sure of what you're saying?
Mommy, why would I lie? Mommy, Sabio, school na me koy, no de me cause me made it. Sabia me bo me adwuma na kosro. See, I make sure say everything on the baby biamo, I go through it thoroughly. Just to be in place.
What ma? I feel what quite no. And I should drag so me na ye for so many years. And can say the usika say I can't see me. Say ka sa no ya, ka company ka collapse the dada.
Mommy, it's
He's
not
a
about
very good person. But to boss it. I feel what quite do mo. Me so be pray, me so say. When you phone a to mo hono. Despite say o ye me ba. Ko for mom. Ko for mom, me ko ekiki bia because o mo na o mo kuta adwuma nu ma ba pepim sesi a what me wie o masters house o ba be rem. I feel no rem to boss it. Shadrach enti me anya bibisa. Anyway, what come at it? But the neighbor to form my share, dear Coso.
Mommy, any more in the hopper.
The baker told us, the lame also lame.
Mommy, the miss paper thought I fancied the Milay money dear. Milay with your one am meeting. Now lay the muna meeting the man who's a lane, and you're making charm my name. Until me pay me sound your money free. Mommy, you have to permit me to do what I want to do. Me like man, me obi no better man said me measure no.
I feel what call for. What am I to boss? I feel what call for. I feel what could do more for to boss.
You.
Me rush it to boss. Ube no quite mistake. So what yes, so one to boss managers almost to be sure the right things to do, eh? To boss.
Mommy, eh, Martin.
Ko da ko continue. Mama do I jollof rice na kokodi. Guess of this. Ah. Cecilia Wura office. Cecilia. Shadrach Aide. Shadrach, he's a very good person. He has been helping me for all this while. Na Cecilia say, "Oh my mini Ready Jacob, kola we pa." Oh my God.